Hey everyone, and welcome back to Arch Zenith. I'm so glad you're here. There's something truly magical about autumn, isn't there? The way the air becomes crisp and refreshing, how the leaves transform into brilliant shades of amber and gold, and that undeniable feeling that makes us want to slow down, cozy up, and savor the simple moments at home. And what better place to embrace that autumn feeling than in the heart of our homes, the kitchen. The kitchen is where we gather, where we create, and where so many of our warmest memories are made. So naturally, it's the perfect space to welcome the beauty and comfort of fall. Today, I'm thrilled to share 10 inspiring ideas that will help you transform your kitchen into a cozy autumn retreat, blending timeless vintage charm with seasonal touches that feel both intentional and inviting. Whether you're someone who loves going all out with seasonal decor or you prefer subtle, understated accents, there's something here for everyone. So go ahead, pour yourself a cup of tea or coffee, maybe light a candle, get comfortable, and let's dive into this autumn decorating journey together. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be inspired to bring that cozy fall magic into your own kitchen. Segment 1: The Art of Layering. Creating a welcoming fall kitchen is all about thoughtful layering. When you combine vintage cutting boards with natural elements like dried branches and carefully chosen autumn details, you achieve a space that feels both inviting and balanced. The key is avoiding overcrowding. Let your kitchen breathe while showcasing fall's beauty. Consider using vintage trays, rustic pottery, or hand-woven baskets as your foundation pieces. This layered approach turns your everyday cooking area into a nostalgic autumn haven full of personality and warmth. Segment 2: Sustainable Seasonal Style. Decorating sustainably means honoring both the environment and intentional living. Display hydrangeas from your garden. Their rich textures and soft colors bring genuine fall beauty. Combine these with reusable faux pumpkins or gourds to minimize waste while adding vibrant touches. This philosophy goes beyond looks. It's about making thoughtful choices. Each display reflects mindful living where seasonal style doesn't require constant purchasing. By showcasing nature's gifts and reusing beloved pieces annually, your kitchen feels fresh, cozy, and rooted in sustainable principles. Segment 3: Function meets beauty. A well-decorated kitchen seamlessly blends aesthetics with practicality. Conceal electrical outlets behind seasonal artwork or decorative panels to reduce visual distractions. Transform liquid decanters into elegant containers for cooking oils, turning everyday items into stylish displays. These small adjustments prove that functionality and charm can coexist beautifully. When common objects are reimagined thoughtfully, they enhance your kitchen's character while maintaining efficiency and seasonal sophistication. Segment 4. Scale and impact in artwork. Art placement dramatically influences your kitchen's ambience. Opt for larger, statement-making seasonal prints rather than tiny pieces that disappear. Bold visuals create balance, draw the eye to focal points, and energize neutral spaces. This demonstrates that size is just as important as color or texture. Larger pieces elegantly fill empty walls without the cluttered feel of multiple small items. By making artwork prominent, your kitchen becomes a visually unified, seasonally inspired sanctuary. Segment 5. Sourcing quality vintage pieces. Building an authentic fall kitchen begins with knowing where to shop. Establish relationships with trusted antique stores or reliable sellers to maintain consistency in quality and style. Each piece, from weathered bowls to classic cutting boards, should feel intentionally chosen. Dependable sources also ensure longevity, as classic finds can be brought out year after year. With reasonable prices and distinctive selections, vintage items add richness and storytelling to your design, making your source a valuable partner in creating autumn magic. Segment 6. Details that transform. Fall decorating shines through small, intentional details. Amber glass, soap dispensers, woven dish brushes, and textured kitchen towels might seem insignificant, but collectively they enhance your space's seasonal character. Each element quietly reinforces coziness while serving daily purposes. Remember that decor isn't only about grand gestures, it's about atmospheric layers created through details. Even the smallest touches, like a striped linen towel or patterned coaster, add dimension, completing your inviting fall kitchen beautifully. Segment 7. Embrace autumn's color palette. Color anchors seasonal design, and autumn celebrates deep, earthy tones. Integrate burnt orange through oak leaves, pumpkins, or vintage pottery to unify your kitchen. These touches create harmony, making every space reflect the season's warmth. Even subtle color repetition makes a significant impact. When orange tones appear in both natural elements and accessories, they establish flow throughout the room. This technique ensures visual cohesion, with each color choice supporting your cozy fall story. Segment 8. Texture creates depth. A captivating fall kitchen layers contrasting yet complementary textures. Woven baskets, rustic wooden boards, and smooth ceramics build interest without overwhelming. Add knitted textiles or a burlap table runner to soften hard surfaces, creating warmth and visual depth. Texture engages the senses. It's not just visual, but tactile. Pairing rough, natural materials with polished surfaces celebrates beautiful contrasts. This balance ensures your design feels purposeful and dynamic, transforming ordinary spaces into rich, autumn-inspired corners. Segment 9. Lighting sets the mood. Lighting is essential for creating seasonal atmosphere. Warm-toned bulbs, candles in vintage holders, or lanterns on countertops produce a soft golden glow perfect for autumn. This ambient lighting enhances natural textures and adds intimacy and tranquility. Thoughtful light placement helps your kitchen transition gracefully throughout the day. A pendant lamp over your dining table or fairy lights along open shelves amplify coziness. These choices remind us that atmosphere depends as much on illumination as decoration. Segment 10. Nature-inspired centerpieces. Bringing the outdoors in defines fall decorating. Nature-inspired centerpieces provide beautiful focal points. Think bowls of seasonal fruit, vases of dried branches, or arrangements mixing pumpkins with acorns. These organic displays celebrate autumn's harvest while embracing rustic simplicity. Centerpieces connect your kitchen to seasonal rhythms, honoring harvest traditions and natural abundance. Whether simple or elaborate, they balance beauty with purpose. Placed on countertops or tables, these arrangements capture fall's essence, welcoming, warm, and filled with seasonal charm. Thanks so much for spending time with me at Arch Zenith today. I hope these ideas spark inspiration for creating your own cozy fall kitchen. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe for more seasonal content, and share your decorating ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy decorating.